Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide to the latest happenings in the world of business. The World Bank has maintained its economic growth outlook for Jamaica this year. In its latest Global Economic Prospects report, the agency has kept the projected gross domestic product, GDP, growth at 2%. This was the same level as the forecast in January. The World Bank has, however, increased its expectation of Jamaica's growth in 2025. The Global Economic Prospects see local GDP growth of 1.6% next year. That's a 0.2% upward adjustment compared to the January outlook. The World Bank says subdued private sector consumption will affect growth, RJR News reports. Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Senator Auburn Hill, says Jamaica is one of the most attractive investment destinations in the Caribbean and is urging more diaspora members to do business in the country. Senator Hill was addressing a panel discussion on Monday, June 17, on the topic Jamaica Open for Business, transforming investment and enterprise in Jamaica through diaspora engagement at the 10th biannual Jamaica Diaspora Conference held at the Montego Bay Convention Center in St. James. He cited the stability of the local currency as a key reason to invest in the island. There is no foreign exchange control in Jamaica. Clean money comes in and clean money goes out, he noted. The fact that the government has been able to undertake infrastructure development and deliver critical services, particularly during the pandemic, without raising taxes, speaks to the strength of the government, Minister Hill stated. During trading for the period June 17, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. NCB Financial Group Limited with 3,042,477 units amounted to 16.44% of the market volume in terms of sales. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 2,292,664 units amounted to 12.39% of the market volume in terms of sales. Omni Industries Limited with 2,270,182 units amounted to 12.27% of the market volume in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on June 17, 2024, registered a volume of 44,545 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at 741,392 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 31 cents. Unilever Caribbean Limited was the volume leader with 12,435 shares changing hands for a value of 138,700 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 25 cents, followed by Massey Holdings Limited with a volume of 12,000 shares being traded for 48,722 Trinidad and Tobago dollars. On June 17, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $60 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $64.8 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US for $156.43 and bought the US dollar for $154.66. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.77, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $2.51 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.58 and bought for $113.07. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $4.51, selling it for $199.32 and buying it for $194.81. Building a solid credit relationship with your banker is essential for the growth and stability of your business. Here is an effective strategy to establish and nurture this crucial relationship. Maintain a positive balance. Keep your business bank account in good standing by avoiding overdrafts and maintaining a positive balance. This demonstrates financial stability and reliability. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.